Alright. Get your fry.
I need a llama. This was a llama. Oh, I'm just touching each of your fries.
I don't care. Just get one. Okay, got it?
Alright, here we go. I'm up close to this one.
Alright.
Wild animals.
Wait, which one are you giving it to? Over here?
The gray one is me.
You're all calm about it! That's no fun! What the hell? I think my video is way more entertaining than yours. How was this feeding the bird experience for you?
Are we still on?
We're still on.
Are we on? We're filming?
We're always on.
Oh, no, I usually do this, 4 or 5 times a day. I come down here because I am a true Seattleite.
You gotta make this interesting. We never did do those interview videos of yours.
I think I'm done with the video.
Do you want me to ask you some very deep personal questions while we're sitting here on the dock of the bay?
No, but I'm going to just keep eating your fries. Because I think I look sexiest when video eating.
Oh yeah. There's the sexy face I remember. Alright.
No more.
Turn it off.
Use a greasy finger and turn it off.
Tell me you love me, give me a kiss.
I love you. Mwah.
Fabulous. Stop.